Often as educators, we are, if we're working in the virtual worlds, we're always looking for different ways to give presentations. And one thing I've seen a lot is people will say with their slide viewers that it's easy for someone in the audience to accidentally click on it and push the slide forward. So this one I recently found through the Avicon, and it actually comes with a HUD. So I wanted to show you, if you were to collect this, how you would go about adapting it to your needs. First thing you'd want to do is get the HUD. And so this is the HUD instructions and the presenter HUD. So you go ahead and buy that. And then you take a copy of this presenter screen. Okay, so this is you taking a copy of the presenter screen, and then you go into your inventory. Now let me first show you how this works. Go to recent items. So here's the file for the presentation, and you would click Wear Me. Once you wear it, it's going to put that up on screen. Okay, so here's the HUD, and this is what the actual slides are for. And so if you click Next, you've got speaker training, today's agenda, welcome and introductions, and see, this is from the Avicon, so all of their slides are in here. So it has some instructions here where you can add or edit the URL. You can go to the home. So let me find my other presenter HUD. Let me look for it. Click Wear Me. Okay, so you see this is the one I've adapted for my own use. I'm going to pull it right out here. So this is what the HUD actually looks like. I detach this. I'd actually wear it right out of my inventory. So you see now this shows this presentation. I could put MVM in there. Right now I have a play button. But say I wanted to actually put in the MVM banner. If I move this in here, drag it in there, and I could, whatever the first one is going to go home. So if I were to click on, let me close this for a second, click on home, it's going to go back to the play button. Now, if it was this one, I could rename this. So if I did star, like that one, then that one is going to be my home button. Okay, now I have two HUDs, one I'm wearing and one I'm editing. So let me detach this one. Let me take this one, and I'll show you here. If I go to the home, it's going to show MVM instead of the play button. Okay, so all you have to do when you have this out, now you can't edit. Actually, maybe you can. You can edit right from here. Haha. So see, sometimes I learn things too. You can just drag these in. You don't even have to mess with this script. I believe now when you come to this, for the people that you want to allow to use the HUDs, so you can have lots of presenters coming in, and only those presenters will be able to use the HUDs. Now you see these were all the presenters from the conference, and I have mine, Saley Davis, right here. What you need is, I'm going to erase all these because I don't need all these. Okay, so just be careful not to go beyond. So what you would do to add more is you need to know their UID. So in order to do that, you can get a gadget that will tell you your UID, but if you don't have that, you can go to Profile, right there. There it is, the key. Your key is your UID. So you'd have them send that to you, or otherwise get that information. Then on this screen, just put that in under the people you're going to allow. Right here, list users, and then their name. You have to put their name in too. And that's how you would give permissions to have them use this tool. And these are just showing you the different slides that are on there.